So today I'll be showing you how to add multiple songs or multiple audio tracks on your Instagram reel. So let's go ahead and create an Instagram reel. So I'm just gonna go and create new post, select reel, and then let's find a video or an image, depending on what you want really. So I'm just gonna pick this video for instance, and then now I'll just go to the video editor. Now, as you can see, or here, this particular video already has its own audio and Instagram reel. And so if you select it, you can mute or unmute that audio for the main video. And then now if you want to add audio, you can just tap here and then maybe choose a song. So for instance, if I choose this particular song and add it to that particular clip, you can see now we have a song. And if I select that, I can actually adjust the volume of that particular song. Okay, so let me adjust that, and then I can increase the volume of the original clip like that, and then tap on done. And I can even go a step further and add audio. So I can just tap here and then even add a different kind of audio. So that is basically how to add multiple audio clips to an Instagram reel. So you can see it right there, and I can adjust it, move it wherever it is. I can tap on it, adjust that clip's specifically the volume of that particular clip. And you can see now I have 3 audio clips or audio files on my video. Okay, so once again, that's how to do it. Thanks for watching and good luck.